Just want to show this on here. So this is my attorney's husband. He went on his last tirade was in February. I believe it was February 15th. But this is a precursor to that. 12/21/2021. He went ahead and well, if I still have it pulled up here. He assaulted and battered, I believe it was Amber. I posted, oh, here's the police report. Oh, shit. I don't want you to do what I want. Here's a police report. Alright, here we go. It starts off, he's a confidential crime victim. It appears to be the cop's writing. So something must have been discussed there. It's a police report, so the police have this guy labeled as a confidential crime victim, so he's protected by the sheriff. But it says approximately 22:45 hours, so real late, almost 11. The victim and the defendant, and they black it out. I'm sure it's Pamber, were involved in a verbal altercation. During the argument, the defendant grabbed the victim by their arms against their will, forcing them throughout their household. The defendant forced the victim out of the front door of the residence, causing the victim to fall down to the floor, at which point the victim sustained injuries to both their legs consistent with their statements. The defendant was located in the area of the residence where he was placed into custody. Post Miranda warning, the defendant admitted to grabbing the victim against their will, forcing the victim outside the residence. The defendant was placed under arrest and transported to county jail. So, yeah, the cop's writing on the report that it's confidential. So there's notes in David saying this guy's not to be, he's preferential treatment for this guy. So it was 11/23/21. They filed that complaint. You got the commitment advisories, order of no contact. The order of no contact was, what is it? Oh, right, here's one of them. No contact with the victim, and the victim's blank. So that's over in jail. The judges, whoever does the preliminaries or interrogatory, whatever they're called, just leaves it blank. It's a bond, advice to defendant, and then there's a right here, an order of no contact, and they black it out, whatever. This case only lasts a month, so he admits to beating her up. So we got notice of appearance, written plea of not guilty, demand for discovery. So his attorney, he gets to afford an attorney. I don't know where the hell it is. It's right here. Yeah, it comes now, Jason Rodjaninski, Esquire. All he does is demand for copy of discovery. So he wants a copy of discovery. Goes ahead and e-files it. And after that, case closed. Case closed. Case freaking closed. Where is it? I just had it pulled up here. Case closed. Hold on. No information filed. No information filed. There's definitely information filed. I just saw it. So, yeah. Circuit Court, State of Florida versus Eric Patwell. State Attorney, having conducted an investigation in this matter, concludes that the facts and the circumstances revealed do not warrant prosecution at this time. So the guy admits to beating up. I put my life on it. It's Amber. We all know it's Amber. So no, we can't cause any ripples because we're going to give the preferential treatment to fellow bar members. She's over there working at Whitbeck Bennett, apparently, at that time. They can't. This is bad news. We can't have that associated with a law firm, so let's let it go away. We'll make it go away. And then what happens after? He goes and he beats his children and beats up Amber, giving her a brain injury. They let a dangerous criminal. They gave this guy preferential treatment, let him go, and he does it all again. He endangered his children. So the prosecutor, there's blood on the prosecutor's hands for this. The prosecutor, instead of charging this guy, and extending preferential treatment to let him go caused injury. I believe the prosecutor directly caused injuries to those kids. I believe the prosecutor is responsible. And the guy could have killed Amber. I don't give a shit about her, but, he's a violent thug, and they just let him go. So, yeah, his case was wrapped up in under a month. The exact same charge, battery, touch or strike, 1 beat, the same thing I'm charged with. Same exact thing. Under a month, when he admitted to doing this, everyone knows he did it. And he did it again to 3 people, 2 of them being minors. But no, my case. Oh, that's gonna. We got evidence that I'm the only one documenting injuries, and we're gonna have 9. How many attorneys got? 8 attorneys, 10 prosecutors, 9 pretrials, 3 jury trials, 3 calendar calls, 11 motions to withdraw, 1 Nelson hearing, one order for what the hell is it? A competency evaluation. What's the difference here? Wow, it's extreme, absolutely extreme. So there you go. This is your legal system doing what they do best, being corrupt and giving preferential treatment to those they want, and then hammering and cornholing the people they don't like.